Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Miss Bellum's outfit from the Powerpuff Girls on Dress to Impress. So I will be removing everything except for the ones I made adjustments on per usual. Oh, well, now I have to make adjustments again, but select this hair in this color, FF951D. It's just this one pretty much. In default, and rotate the exit point 48. Grab this afro and color it this color, and you're just going to want to make it super big and put it down a little bit. We're kind of going to rotate it this way, and I'm just going to place it here-ish, like here. Then for the fit itself, we are going to put this top on in this color, A92B2B, and then black in metallic for the buttons. Grab the skirt in the same red color in the high toggle, and also grab this necklace in black and in this color, FDD94, or this one actually, FDD485. Grab this belt and do the first toggle first. Color it in the first toggle so you can color it black. And I use this yellow. You know what? I'll just show you guys, because it is a little bit complicated to color this. Color it black. Then on the fifth toggle, color it yellow. This yellow, EFB13B. And then do the second toggle here. And then you're just going to kind of put this up and scale it down so it's kind of more at the waist and not at the hip like this. Looks weird from the back, but we're just going to put on these heels in that same red color, and that's it. Obviously it's not going to cover the whole face. I know most of the time you don't see her face, but yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.